Hi, my name is Larry Rogers, and I am a member of the Digital Intelligence and Investigations, it's a new name, Directorate, which is the new name for the CERT Forensics team here at CERT. What I'm going to talk to you today about is an introduction to computer forensics. We'll talk about several things. We'll talk mostly about process. We'll talk some about tasks, and we'll talk some about technology. First thing I want to talk about is the word forensics and what the word forensics means. Here's a definition out of Merriam-Webster's dictionary. The key words here are the words courts and judiciary in a legal setting. And that's the issue. You really, when forensics is the term, it's really a legal setting that is the end result of the activity. And the reason I bring this up is because frequently the word forensics is used to define something else. What computer forensics is something that combines elements of law and computer science to collect and analyze data about computer systems or network connections and such in a way that is admissible in a court of law. Now, whether it ends up in a court of law or not is irrelevant, but it is suitable to be included in a court of law. And the goal is to do all of these activities, identify, collect, and preserve and analyze data in such a way that it can be used in that setting. That's ultimately what we're trying to deal with. So you may find that people overwork the word forensics when they really mean to be saying, I'm doing something like incident handling in a forensically sound manner. They use the word, I'm doing forensics. And so I want to at least make you aware of how the word is used and that it perhaps is not being used in the most correct case. Unfortunately, as I say, it is in the vernacular, so you will often see that. So doing forensics, doing incident handling in a forensically sound manner, doing analysis in a forensically sound manner, that's the key point. And the best practice of all of this is to always do these tasks in such a way that they can be admissible in court, whether or not they end up in court. Okay, so that's the soapbox part. Use the word forensics and use it correctly.